Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will learn a new topic called profit and loss. Let me explain it to you through an example of a departmental store. Mr. Gupta runs a departmental store. He buys goods at lower rate from the wholesaler, then he sells the goods to customers at reasonably higher prices. Here, the amount paid by Mr. Gupta to wholesaler is called cost price. In the short form, it can be written as CP. And the amount paid by customer to Mr. Gupta is called the selling price, and it can be written as SP. When selling price is more than cost price, when Mr. Gupta sells his goods at higher rate, he make a profit. So amount earned by shopkeeper is profit or gain. Profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, or P equals to SP minus CP. And when Mr. Gupta sells his good at lower price, so he suffers a loss. So amount lost by Mr. Gupta is loss. Therefore, loss equal to cost price minus selling price, or L equal to CP minus SP. Let us solve few sums to understand profit and loss. So here is the question. Number A of exercise 12C. Find the profit or loss in each case. So cost price and selling price is given, and we have to find out the profit or loss and the amount. Here number 2, CP equals to 578, SP is equals to 487. So find profit or loss and the amount. CP is 5. Here you can clearly see that CP is greater than SP. So this is, here is a loss. So loss equals to cost price. When there is loss, cost price is greater than selling price. Since CP is greater than SP, so there is a loss. So loss equals to cost price minus selling price, or you can write L equals to CP minus SP. So what is CP? 578 minus 487. So 8 minus 7, 1, and here 17 minus 8, 19. So rupees 91. So here rupees 578 minus rupees 487 equals to rupees 91. Here CP, the cost price is rupees is 18,450 and selling price is 19,310 rupees. So find profit or loss. Here SP is greater than CP. Since SP is greater than CP, so there is a profit. Selling price is more than cost price. So shopkeeper sells his goods or product at higher price. So he make a profit. So selling price is greater than SP, so there is a profit. Now profit or gain equals to selling price minus cost price, that is P equals to SP minus CP. So here SP is rupees 19,310 minus rupees 18,450. rupees 860 and he makes a profit. Finding the cost price. If there is a profit, we can find the cost price by using this formula. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, that is CP equal to SP minus profit. If there is a loss, we can find the cost price by using this formula. Cost price is equal to SP plus loss. Now let's solve few sums. Now let's solve number B. Complete the table. Here SP is given and profit here it is given. So we have to find here CP, and in some question loss and SP is given and you have to find the CP. So number 1, SP is 5,100, profit is rupees 910. So what is the CP here? So here SP is rupees 5,108 and profit is rupees 910. So here CP equal to SP minus profit. As the shopkeeper make profit by selling his goods, so cost price will be SP selling price minus profit. So here selling price is 5,108 minus rupees 910. So the cost price is 4,198. Now let's do number C. Complete the table. Number 4, here cost price is given and loss, a shopkeeper suffer a loss, so we have to find the selling price. As here the shopkeeper suffer a loss, so we have to subtract it from the cost price to find the selling price, because the shopkeeper sold his good at lower price. So cost is rupees 11,340 minus rupees 1,115. So selling price is 10,225. Number D. Solve the following question. These are the word problem. Solve the following word problem. Number 1. Saurav buys a washing machine for rupees 7,215. He sells the washing machine for rupees 8,450. Find his gain or loss. So Saurav buys a washing machine for rupees 7,215 and he sells this washing machine at rupees 8,450. So he makes a profit, as the selling price is more than the cost price, so he makes a profit. Cost price of a washing machine is rupees 7,215. Selling price of a washing machine equals to rupees 8,440. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, or therefore profit equals to selling price minus cost price, or P equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 8,450 minus rupees 7,250 is rupees 1,235. So the profit of a washing machine, Saurav make a profit for rupees 1,235. Now let's do number 6. By selling an almirah for rupees 4,275, a shopkeeper lost rupees 480. So he suffered loss for rupees 480 by selling an almirah of rupees 4,275. Find the cost price of the almirah. So as the selling price of an almirah is rupees 4,275 and the shopkeeper suffer loss for rupees 480. So the cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. So here selling price of an almirah is rupees 4,275 and loss, he suffer loss for rupees 480. So SCP equals to cost price is equals to selling price plus loss is rupees 4,275 plus rupees 480. So this is 5 7 and 4. So cost price is rupees 4,000. Cost price of an almirah is rupees 4,755. Cost price of an almirah is rupees 4,755. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.